That's Daddy's favorite song too, buddy. I'll play it again. You looking at yourself, buddy? Huh? Do you like the mirror? Yeah, me too. Yep. Nope. Yeah? You liking the mirror, buddy? I know. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah. Alright, one more time for the grandma. I'll play the song. I know they like it. Oh, hold on. Let's fix the rubber duckies. Yep. Those are the ones Nan gave you. Aren't you full of energy today, buddy? Yeah? You want me to send this video to everybody back home? Yeah? Alright, buddy. We're signing off.